I would like to speak in behalf of her. I'm her, actually, she's my brother's daughter. Her father and mother couldn't come because of some prior commitments. And I would like to speak about Shrinika's journey. It all happened during lockdown. So because of lockdown, we all family used to sit together and watch Ramayan together. So from there, she was too young to like understand what is happening, but she used to watch with us. She was just 2 years old at that time, and from there she started टेकिंग एन इंटरेस्ट इन रामायण. और फिर उसके बाद में उसने बोलना शुरू जब से करा है ना, शी स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग अबाउट रामायण स्टोरीज अ लॉट. सो माई सिस्टर इन लॉ यूज टू टेल अ लॉट ऑफ रामायण स्टोरीज टू हर. और उसको बहुत इंटरेस्ट आ गया तो उसने फिर बोलना शुरू करा. अलग अलग टाइप की स्टोरीज़ वो हमें बताती थी. फिर वहाँ से उसने एक्चुअली रिकॉर्ड तो 4 years पे होल्ड करा है, बट शी इज़ ऑलरेडी टोल्ड दैट स्टोरी टू अस व्हेन शी वाज 3.5. यस. और इतना छोटा बच्चा जो मोबाइल भी देखता है तो भी उसको रामायण देखना है, महाभारत देखना है, ये आज के जनरेशन में आई डोंट थिंक सो होता होगा. So she's really special, and we feel blessed to have her in our family. Thank you so much for having us, and I would like to thank India Book of Records for having us and giving us that opportunity and recognizing her courage. Actually, she's happy. You want to say something?
No.
No?
So thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Shrinika.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
That's wonderful. Shrinika, just tell me what record have you made?
Ramayan.
रामायण का आपने मराठी वर्जन में किया है, हाँ? ओके. सो इनको आपने ऑफ कोर्स हेल्प करी होगी. इनको ये इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली कि शी हैज़ टू मेक अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ रामायण? लाइक मतलब अगर आपको बताया ही नहीं गया हो किसी ने घर में, तो हाउ दे विल कम टू नो?
Right. Frankly speaking, if I'll tell about her story, it all started in lockdown. Because of lockdown, everyone was at home, and we started watching Ramayana.
Okay.
So from there, she found the interest in it, and she started watching also, and she started reading a lot of stories about Ramayana also.
Okay.
And almost every day she used to talk about Ramayana.
Okay.
She was very fascinated with it, with the story of it, and she used to love telling everyone about it. So from there, actually I'm her Goa.
Okay.
So from there, my sister-in-law got that she has something in it, that she can tell it, and by the age of 4, she has told the Ramayana in Marathi.
Okay.
Yes.
श्रीनिका, आप मुझे ये बताएं, which was your favorite character in रामायण?
Hanuman.
हनुमान. क्यों आपको हनुमान जी क्यों पसंद है?
He helps everyone.
ओके. और वो राम जी के बहुत बड़े भक्त थे. यू नो हु वाज राम जी? ओके. और मुझे ये बताओ कि आपको जब ये एकम्प्लिशमेंट मिली तो व्हाट वाज द इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर फ्रेंड्स? इनकी फ्रेंड्स के ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा इस चीज़ का?
Everybody was very inspired from her. Everybody was so happy that she got the record. Yes, and we were not expecting it at all. Not like we never planned for it, but she has something in it that we could see from her childhood. Like when she was very young.
Okay.
From that time also, we've seen a lot of things in her which was very special and which was different from other.
Others.
Yes. And everyone was very happy when she received the award.
अब नेक्स्ट क्या रिकॉर्ड बनाने का सोच रहे हैं?
That's up to her.
क्या सोच रही हैं आप श्रीनिका? नेक्स्ट क्या रिकॉर्ड
Now
बनाना
she's,
है?
I think, after Mahabharata.
महाभारत?
Yes.
Does
She
she
really
know-
likes mythological stories a lot.
Okay.
She's a big fan of those.
Okay.
Every day, every night she has to read a book before she goes to bed.
She doesn't watch any mobile or TV. What?
Even though if she'll watch mobile, she has to watch Ramayana or
Okay.
some stories related to that only.
Mythological.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
What challenge did she face when she was making this record? Like writing the Ramayana in Marathi language. It's a difficult task, which for an adult even, it's a difficult one. So how she was able to make it?
Actually, it was very organic, frankly speaking, because we never told her like what to do and what to say and what not to say. It was everything within her.
Okay.
Yes.
It was not planned kind
Never,
of.
never.
Okay.
We never taught her that. It was all her.
Okay.
She was very keen on it. She was very interested in it, and nobody forced anything on her.
Okay.
She was very happy to say whatever she did.
From where did you come to know about the India Book of Records?
Actually, my sister-in-law is in educational field,
Okay.
so she had the idea about it.
Okay.
And just as she got the video of her, she thought, why not send it to India Book
India
of
Book.
Records, and let's see how it goes. Yes.
It's a very, her is very tender age. Like Mahabharat ki does, she will be able to understand what Mahabharat was and how many characters were there.
I think she already knows a lot about it.
Really?
Yes. She's very keen about
Her mother must have told her about that.
Yes. Her mother and her are every day, almost every day, talking about it, like creating her own stories as well. Yes.
Like ये क्या drawing भी करती हैं?
Yes, actually, she is all rounder.
Okay.
Yes.
It was wonderful talking to you, ma'am.
Same. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you, ma'am, for having us.